What's up, guys? Back here with the yellow V4 Kraton. Kind of just out at one of my earlier spots. It's nice and close to home, not too far away. It's easy to get to, and there's nobody here today. So I'm gonna play around, send her through the air a bit after I turn it on. That always helps. It's awesome, man. This motor and speed controller combination is such an awesome setup. I mean, this thing really moves. Love it. Ooh, right on the concrete. Yeah, that's nice, and that's real good for it. But I do want to test out, kind of made some mods to the heatsink on the speed controller, hoping that fans will last a little bit longer than what they've used to. I'd get a couple hard landings before and break a blade on the fan, or the entire motor and fan section would just pop right out. So hoping it'll last a little longer, be a little more durable. Woohoo! Nice. Woo! A lot of rocks here. Gotta kind of watch out, but try not to hit that. Ooh, some rocks right there on takeoff. I'm gonna avoid that jump for today. Yep, everything's good still. That was a bad takeoff. Sorry, wing mount. That was bad. Hey, I didn't break it off. That's always good. Didn't break the wing mount. You know, I've actually had really good luck with the wing mounts. I know some people really complain that there's broken wing mounts and they keep breaking a bunch of them. I have landed on these wing mounts pretty hard and tons of times, and only broken one, and it was after God knows how many hard wing landings. Wing landings like that. Now that one might have bent some screws. It looks a little pitched up, but should be okay. Looks like there's some dirt in that wheel. That's why it's getting a little out of balance. Woo! Ah, this thing's an animal. I could probably go for a double. Feeling a little gutsy today. Nope. Should have stayed on the throttle, but yeah, everything's good still, right? Yep, bumpers are still there. Bearings are squeaking like normal. Alright, battery's done. Fuel LVC, so gonna let her cool down. This thing still is awesome.